Here is one way to quickly turn your stickers into magnets. All you'll need are your stickers, some magnetic sheets with adhesive backings, and a sharp, precise blade such as an X-Acto knife. I also recommend using a cutting mat to do your work on top of so you don't cut into a surface that you did not intend to. The magnetic sheets are pretty affordable on Amazon. Please use caution though when using X-Acto knives or sharp blades, and be responsible with these blades and keep them out of the reach of children. It helps to map out how you'll place your stickers, and then peel off the backing and place your stickers on the adhesive part of the magnetic sheet. The nice part about doing it this way is if I ever want to go back and use my sticker as a sticker, I can just peel it off its own backing and stick it to any object. There are plenty of different reasons you might want to turn your sticker into a magnet, but for me, I was getting tired of all my cool stickers that I used on my water bottle and my Pelican cases getting beat up and torn. By using magnetic sheets, I can turn all my cool stickers into magnets and place them on my beer fridge, work locker, etc., and they'll have longevity that they didn't before.